Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create or add frames to your whiteboard presentations on Miro.com. Frames are super useful because they help you organize your ideas, structure your content, and even turn your board into a smooth, slide-based presentation. So let's dive into this. First, navigate to your board. And here on the left-hand panel, you'll see a set of customization tools. Among them, you'll find the Frame tool. You can also use the shortcut key F to activate it quickly. That's a handy little trick if you're working on multiple frames. Now, click into it. After that, select one of the templates available. Miro gives you a few different frame sizes, like 16:9 for presentations, square, A4, and even customizable frames if you want full control. So, I'll go for a customizable frame in this example. Once you select it, your frame will appear on the board. Now you can start customizing it. Rename it, edit its title, change its color, and so on and so forth. You can also resize it easily by dragging its corners or reposition it anywhere on your board. You can add all kinds of elements to it: sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, images, flowcharts, and even embedded media. Everything inside the frame stays grouped visually, which makes it perfect for organizing related content or creating step-by-step workflows. Here's a quick tip. If you plan to present your work directly in Miro, frames are automatically turned into slides in Miro's presentation mode. That means each frame acts like a slide, and you can simply click Present at the top right to move through them one by one, just like a PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation. You can also reorder frames in the sidebar on the left, simply drag and drop them to set the sequence for your presentation. And if you duplicate a frame, all the content inside it will be copied too, which is great for creating consistent layouts. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you add frames to your presentations on Miro. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more quick Miro and productivity tutorials like this one. We'll catch you later. Happy creating!